Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this gorgeous, only 2 row repeating, super easy triangle shawl. Of course you saw this pattern. I love this shell pattern. I put tassels and I will show you how you can put it. It's so simple and so fast crocheting. You can do that easily. Okay, I use here, I have this yarn. This is using an acrylic yarn. Which one is used for baby clothes? This is baby yarn for babies, and I use with it 4mm hook. You can choose which yarn you want. If my video comes so speedy, please click here and slow me down. If you want to change the subtitles again, please use there. If you're ready, we can start crochet. Are so simple and beautiful. Only 2 rows repeating, shell, triangle, shawl. Let's start crochet. First of all, we will start with slip knot. We need multiples of 10 plus 2. Okay, 2 only one time. I will show you a sample, so I will make here 30 chains. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I made 30 chains. Add here 2 more, 1 and 2, only one time. Okay, then skip this very first, insert your hook second one, grab your yarn, you have 2 loops, make here single crochet, then yarn over twice, chain 1, yarn over twice, and skip 1, 2, 3, 4 chains, insert into the 5th one, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Make here extended double treble. Chain 2, yarn over twice, insert into the same stitch, grab your yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, and pull through 2. This is the 2. Chain 2, yarn over twice, insert into the same, and make the 3rd one. 1, 2, 2, 2. Chain 2, yarn over twice, insert into the same, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, and make 1 more in the same stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. I made 5 extended double treble in the 5th stitch, between of them 2 chains. We made it, then chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3 and 4 chains, insert into the 5th one, join with a single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice, 1, 2, 3, 4, skip again, insert into the 5th one, and make here 5 extended double treble, between of them chain 2, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 2, yarn over twice, make 1 more in the same, 1, 2, 2, 2. Chain 2, yarn over twice, insert into the same, 1, 2, 2, 2. Chain 2 again, make 1 more, this is the 4th one, and this is the 5th, the last one. Pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, pull through 2. Chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the 5th one, make here single crochet, chain 1, yarn over twice, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the 5th one, make here your extended double treble, 1, 2, 3, 4, chain 2 and 5, chain 1, skip 1, 2, 3, 4, insert into the fifth one and finish the row with single crochet again. Of course, you have more stitches, you will keep repeat as same as chain 1, skip 4, insert into the fifth one and make your double triples. Now we will second rows repeating. You will prepare the where you need to put these shells. So we will make the decreasing the second rows repeating. I will show you. Chain 1, and turn your work. I will make slip stitches. Come to this space and make one slip stitch. In the stitch 2, in the space 3, in the stitch 4, in the space 5, and come to the stitch 6. I'm on the third double triple stop on the previous row. Okay, look at this. Make 6 slip stitches and come to third double triple of the previous row. Then 1, chain 1, not count, insert into the same and make here single crochet. 1 and 2 chains, yarn over, chain 3, yarn over, skip this space, insert into the next space and make here triple, chain 3, yarn over, skip these stitches and come to next shell's first space here. Grab my yarn, pull through 1, pull through 2 and pull through 2. Chain 3, skip the second space, insert into the third double stop and join with a single crochet. Chain 3, yarn over, skip the next space, insert into the second one and make here treble, chain 3, yarn over, skip these stitches, come to next shell's first space and make here treble, chain 3, skip the second space, insert your hook from the third double stop and finish the row. Because we need to decrease, you come to the first shell's third stitch, you will come to the last shell's third stitch and finish the row here, not crochet there. Okay, if you have more shells, you will keep repeat as same as chain 3, skip the next space, insert into the one after that, make treble, then chain 3, skip these stitches, come to next shell's first space, make treble, chain 3, join with a single crochet on the third double treble, chain 3, skip one space, insert your hook last space of this shell, chain 3 and make treble, next shell's first space. Okay, that's it. This is your first repeating row. Then chain 1, not count and turn my work, insert into the same stitch, chain 1 and do the same thing which you did here first row, yarn over twice, come to this chain 3 space, you have here 3 chain 3 space, you will work this big one, the second one, skip the first space, insert into the second one and make here 5 extended double triple, between of them chain 2, 1 in the same space, 2, 3, 4, and this is the fifth one. Chain 1, you will join this shell. Previous rows, you know, we made a single crochet on the third double treble. You will join this shell, this single crochet here with single crochet. Chain 1, yarn over twice. You can see here you have 3 spaces. Skip the first space and you will work with this big one. Make here 5 double treble, 1, chain 2, 2, chain 2, 3, chain 2, 4, chain 2, and 5. Chain 1, join it, this last single crochet. You will make your shells, these big holes, the second chain 3 space, and join this shell, previous rows, single crochet. I will show you this, how you can decrease that. You know, chain 1 and turn. Not count it and make your slip stitches. 1 in the stitch, 2 in the space, 3 in the stitch, 4 in the space, 5 in the stitch, 6, and you come to these shells, the third double treble. Chain 1 and not count, insert into the same and make single crochet, then 1, 2, 3 chains, yarn over, skip this space, come to this shell's last space here, make your treble, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 2, chain 3, yarn over, skip these stitches and come to next shell's first space and join with a treble, chain 3, skip the next space and come to third double stop, join with a single crochet. You decrease that 2 to 3 to 2, now 1. We have only one big hole. Chain 1 and turn your work. Insert into the same stitch and make single crochet, chain 1, yarn over twice, insert into this big space and make your double triples. 1, chain 2, 2, chain 2, 3, chain 2, 4, chain 2, and 5. Chain 1 and come to this single crochet top and join with a single crochet. You will finish your shawl like that. Always you will decrease, you will make your slip stitches and come to middle stitch and chain 3 treble, chain 3 treble, chain 3 single crochet. Okay, prepare 3 spaces, work on these big holes, that's it. You will make it bigger. Then I will turn all around with single crochet. Look at this, chain 1 and not count, insert into the same and make single crochet. This stitch, single crochet here. You will adapt it easily. Turn all around with single crochet like this. Here on corners I made 2 single crochet in the same stitch, so I turn easily. I come to the space 1 and 2 in this corner, 1 and 2, I turn, then this space make here 1 and 2 single crochet in the stitch 3, 1, 2 single crochet in space, third one in the stitch, 1, 2, third one in the stitch. Okay, you can turn like that easily. After, how you can put these tassels, I will show you. I put 1, then skip 1 stitch, put 1 and skip 1 stitch. I cut nearly 30 centimeter yarn, then fold it, double fold it like that, and one more time I fold it, then skip 1 stitch, insert my hook, next one, insert my hook like that, grab these 2 yarns together and make here big loop, then insert my finger and hold these yarns, take them in it and pull it. That's it. Look at one more time. I fold it here, one more time, skip 1. You can do that which type you want. Of course you can put all the stitches, insert your hook, then grab these 2 yarns, pull it and make a big loop here, then insert your finger, grab these 4 yarns and pull it. That's it. Then I will cut these fold parts. That's it. I hope you like it and you will try. If you have any questions, please leave me comments. Thanks a lot for your kind comments. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.